In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multi-select tags in Notion. If you're new to Notion or you're refining your workspace, multi-select tags are one of the simplest ways to add structure and make your information easier to find later. Start by opening an existing database or creating a new one. A database can be a table, where items are listed in rows, or a board view, which looks like a set of columns. Either way, the goal is the same. We're going to add a property that lets you attach multiple tags to each item. Look to the top right of your database table and click the plus button to add a new column. In Notion, columns in a database are called properties, and each property holds a specific type of information about every row. This could be a date, a checkbox, a number, or in our case, a list of tags. When the property menu opens, scroll through and choose multi-select. This is important because multi-select lets you apply more than one tag to the same item. If you picked select instead, you'd be limited to just one option per row, which isn't ideal for things like topics, contexts, or statuses that can overlap. Give your new property a clear name, like tags, categories, or labels. Pick something you and your team will instantly understand. Consistency here saves you time later. Next, click inside any cell in this new column to open the tag menu. You'll see a search bar at the top. Type the name of your first tag. Short, descriptive words work best. And then click Create or press Enter to add it. This instantly creates the tag and applies it to that row. If you don't see a match, creating it on the spot keeps your system fast and flexible. Repeat that process to add as many tags as you need. You can add them over time as your database grows, and you can reuse the same tags across multiple items to keep your categories consistent. Aim for simple, memorable words, and stay consistent with capitalization and spelling so your list doesn't get cluttered with near duplicates. If your workflow changes, you can always rename or remove tags later without breaking your database. That's all it takes to set up multi-select tags in Notion. Add the property, name it clearly, create tags as you go, and reuse them to organize your work. With this in place, your pages become easier to scan, sort, and refine as your projects evolve. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.